This is Jared. All he is a stuffed coat and pants that hands out candy on Halloween. But if you look at his hand, you can see a fishing line is tied to it so that when you reach into the candy bowl, he does too. Now if everything goes to plan, this is what things should look like. Well, it's pretty self-explanatory, but here are the materials I used to make it. And then there's stuffing like blankets and pillows. You also need a car to hide in while you pull the string. Also, the name tag is optional, but it gives it a bit more character. So first I took my overalls and stuffed them with blankets, and you can use pants, but I think it makes it a bit better with overalls because it'll keep it together a bit more. Then I did the exact same thing with the arms, stuffing them with a blanket, leaving a bit in the middle of the coat. Also, make sure to leave a bit out the ends of the legs and arms so that you can put the gloves and boots on. Actually, after blowing up the balloon and drawing a face on it, you could honestly just stop there and leave it in your hallway for Halloween, because every time I see this, I think it's a real person. So next I just wrote the name tag and unpeeled it, stuck it on, and like I said, you don't really need it, but why not? So here's the setup. You can see he's got the fishing line tied around his arm, which goes in the tree to elevate it so that when you pull it, his arm goes more up. Goes around the straw, ignore the other mess, and then goes into the car, which is where I will be with the fishing line waiting for people to come. Also, if you're going to do this, test it before you actually use it because it doesn't always work first try. So that's basically it. Halloween is in a few days, and hopefully when people reach their arm in, they'll get a nice surprise by this guy. So thank you for watching. Bye.